Hello friends, Sudha here. Welcome back to my channel. Once again I am going crafty. Sorry, just joking. Okay, so let's make a heart poster or frame, whatever you can call. I'm going to try the what effects are those bloom effects that I saw in Petra, Gerbracht and TN art videos currently. So I'll be attempting those effects. So let's get started. I'll just mix my resin. I've kept the colors ready. I'll just once again watch the video and see what the name is. I'm so forgetful, so I keep forgetting things. Please bear for me. So let's start mixing the colors. I have taken this ruby red. It's a bit on opaque side, I guess. Haven't used it yet. And this is burgundy. This I had used in last some project. And these are jasminate colors, alcoholings. So this will be heavier than usual alcoholings. So let's get started mixing the colors, and then I'll wait for some time. Then we'll just pour the resin. So let's start with the pouring part. My colors are ready, mold is ready. I'll go with the light color first. So finger crossed. And when Petra did this, she mentioned that not too much torching to be done, or avoid using heat gun. So I won't torch it too much, as it's heart shaped. The resin is not reaching each and every corner, so that's not a big problem. So I'll go with the white then. Is done. And now comes our burgundy. I'm just too excited for this one, as I've been trying to attempt it since long and have been failing miserably. So not posting my results. Instead I have kept them for frames or etc. Okay, and now the clear in the center. If there is a remainder, I'll use it for jewelry mold. So this much resin is remaining. What I'll do is I'll take a jewelry mold and fill up so as you can see, the resin has started to move. So finger crossed, and I'll add some glitter. No, I won't add anything, as I want it to be a Valentine heart, and I'll add a message on the other side when it is cured. So finger crossed. So let's demold. Look, yes. Finally I got some effects, and I guess these are crushed ice effects. Let's see what are the results. I've been trying since long. Oh wow, wow. The white has taken over this place. It looks a kind of negative space, but look at this. Isn't it beautiful? I'll just add some sticker or something, and then top coat it. Look at this, gorgeous. Wow. Happy, yeah! Hey friends, so I'm back again almost after 2 weeks, and this I had demolded almost 2 weeks ago, and after that I was busy with my son's project. So, and all this my place got totally messed up because of all the craft stuffs came out of the cupboard and got hoarded up here. So I'll just I did clean up, and so I'm back again with my unfinished project, and so I'll be adding some stickers as tomorrow is Valentine's Day. So let's select some Valentine stickers. I'll take this. This is perfect for Valentine's. And what else can we add? And this one has the proper Happy Valentine's Day message written here. So I'll be taking this one also. Anything else? I'll take some butterflies, also some hearts from here. So let's go fast forward. I'll be cutting them down, sticking them here, and I have kept my top coat resin ready. So it will take some time for this to get ready. Till then we can cut our stickers and stick here. So let's go fast forward. So I'll just add the stickers here. One more thing I forgot to tell you, that while these 2 weeks this was sitting besides my craft area, and something got stuck here, so I'll be covering that from these stickers. So let's start adding the stickers. So these are vinyl stickers, ready-made vinyl stickers, and these are easily available in our Indian markets. If anyone wants to get customized sticker or something else, I can add the link of these suppliers in my description. Please note that I don't get anything or any kind of commission from anyone. So I'm doing it so solely. Everything I'm spending my husband's money. So yeah, I'm not getting any type of commission or anything from anyone. So this So stickers are a bit of overlapping, but it's okay. It will all be covered, as these are vinyl stickers, not metallic stickers. Otherwise, metallic stickers are the front side plastic is also removed. But these are plain vinyl stickers, so we don't need to remove the front side of stickers. So this is almost covered. That something lag, I don't know from where it got stuck there, but it's okay, because I got these beautiful brushed ice effects. I didn't want to throw it away or keep it aside just like that. So I came up with the idea as to add the stickers, and I'm just trying to save it. So I'll be waiting a few more minutes to get my resin ready. So I guess 10 more minutes, then we go top coat. So let's start with the top coat part. When I had demolded this poster, I had sent the photo to Petra Gerbracht to tell me what this effect was. So these are not proper brushed ice effect, but they do look like brushed ice effect. So, and she actually told me how to do it. She's a very helpful person. I really appreciate her support. So, and she wished me luck also. But after that I only didn't continue because of my son's project. So here I am again. Finally his project got completed and I got my place tidy up. Then I was able to continue with my project. It was all so messy. I just wasn't looking at this corner. Actually totally messed up it was. So I was like, let his things move from here, my son's things, and then I'll be continuing with my crafts. Also I have bought some very beautiful more mandala poster molds. So in upcoming weeks I'll be doing those. So wish me luck. I'll be showing those also. So these are the molds. So I got 2 sets. So what I will do is I'll pair the circle one with this circle one, and I mean similar shape will be paired. So let's just take a look at. So my top coat is over. So let's take a look at this pretty mold. These are pre-marked mandala posters. Beautiful. Very nice. As well as the borders. So this is 24 hours after the top coat. So here I am coloring the borders with golden marker pen, and I was doing this leisurely, sitting on my bed, just holding phone from one hand and coloring the borders from the other. So focus might have gone here and there. I hope you all like this creation, so don't forget to hit that like button and consider subscribing to my channel also if you still haven't, as this will help me to create more contents for you. And don't forget to press that bell icon so that every time I upload a new video you will be notified. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.